Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best soldering stations to help you make an informed choice for your electronics projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, having the right soldering station is crucial for precision, efficiency, and long lasting results. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out for more information. Just a quick reminder that this list is based on personal experience and factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, and durability. Number 5, we have the YIHUA YH995D Plus soldering station. This model offers a versatile range of features, making it suitable for various soldering and desoldering tasks. It comes with a powerful 750-watt maximum power supply, and both the soldering iron and heat gun have adjustable temperature ranges. The heat gun reaches up to 480 degrees Celsius, perfect for tasks like shrink wrapping, adhesive removal, and even plastic welding. With a 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degree temperature range, the soldering iron can handle a variety of tasks with ease. It also includes a sleep function, temperature calibration, and a 3-section storage function, making it an ideal choice for anyone needing a multifunctional soldering solution. Number 4 is the FNIRSI DWS200 soldering station. This high-power 200-watt soldering station features an HD color screen with intelligent control, providing precise monitoring of both temperature and power status. It supports a wide input voltage range of 100 volts to 240 volts, and the adjustable temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius ensures you can handle a variety of soldering tasks with ease. One standout feature of this model is its real-time sleep mode, which helps extend the life of the soldering tip. It also offers preset temperature settings for convenience and compatibility with F245 and F210 handles, making it a highly adaptable option for various soldering needs. Number 3 is the AFEN A9 Plus soldering station. With a power output of 120 watt, this station is designed to provide reliable performance for most soldering tasks. It has a wide temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, allowing you to work with a variety of materials. The AFEN A9 Plus is suitable for different soldering tips, including 210, 115, 245, and 470, making it versatile for various projects. It's CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, ensuring top-notch quality and safety. If you're looking for a simple yet effective soldering station that doesn't compromise on performance, this is a great option. Number 2, we have the SumSour 8898 soldering station. This model is equipped with both a soldering iron and a hot air handle, making it ideal for rework and repair tasks. It includes a variety of nozzles for different applications, whether you're working on fine electronics or larger components. The 8898 station features a heat gun for tasks like SMD rework, soldering, and even welding. With its wide range of features and durable build, this is a professional-grade soldering station that can handle heavy-duty use. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to take their soldering skills to the next level. Finally, at number 1, we have the Silverflow 8586D2 soldering station. This 750-watt soldering station offers both a soldering iron and a hot air rework station, with temperature ranges from 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius for soldering and 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius for hot air applications. One standout feature is its digital temperature calibration, ensuring precision in your work. It also includes a 10-minute sleep mode to conserve energy and prolong the life of the soldering tips. The LED Nixie tube display makes it easy to monitor temperature settings, and the brushless blower ensures smooth, consistent airflow for the hot air gun. With its robust features and high-quality performance, the Silverflow 8586D2 is a top pick for serious soldering professionals. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.